Well, we've just moved out of PV to Bucerías, and we found our hotel, Los Picos Hotel and Suites. It's kind of out in a quiet area, hopefully, and it looks really nice. So let's go and see if we can check in. Oh, this looks nice, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh, there we go. There's the reception. Hola. The door is opening, and we come out on level 5, and we go around to. Yeah, there's a bit of a fire over there. And there's the main road. Yeah. And right below us is a OXXO convenience store where we can get our beer and some tortillas. A bit noisy at the front here, but we don't really notice it when we're in our apartment.
Make sure you turn the lights on.
Wow, this is our room at Los Picos, our bathroom. Well, got some nice toiletries. There's a joining door if you've got family. Got a microwave, some water, TV, wardrobe. Got a couch, most probably put you up. Nice king bed. And the piece de resistance. This is our deck. Let's have our morning coffee. Oh my gosh, look at that. I think we're going to have a lovely sunset tonight. Morning, this is our first morning in Bucerías, and got some construction going on, but we're going to go out in a minute. And this is a view from our deck. Heard the waves crashing on the beach all night, which is lovely. Oh dear. Lots of construction going on, but we're taking it easy. There might be Punta Minta over there, I'm not too sure, in the distance with that lighthouse. And we've got this great big deck here. There's even a little bit of a place to hang your wet stuff. Yeah, well, it might be smaller little towns. Yeah, we're in the breakfast cafe at the hotel, or the restaurant I should say, and we're right on the beach here.
Still having a coffee?
Yeah. It's a little bit overcast today. So it's a little bit cooler, which is alright. Look at the sound of that sea. Have a walk through the old part of the hotel. These are the chalets down here. Sounds like there might be little kitchenettes in some of these. And you've just got these little walkthroughs to the pool and the sea.
we get to the top one.
Yeah. There's another pool area with a slide. It's very quiet, we're off season so it's lovely and quiet. But we missed the towel change, never mind. You can come here once a day and get a brand new towel. 6 PM. Oh, closed early. Go to reception, so get some water. Let's check the books. Nice little seating area while you're waiting for to book in or just call up. Get some water for me, please. Thank you. And we cross this little road and we're staying in the tower. We have another pool area up here with a volleyball net. Nice big old palapa, whatever they call these sunrooms, with some comfortable chairs and couches. The pool's a nice depth, it's only about 3 or 4 feet deep. It's nice and safe for kids. We've got a little play area, it's really shallow, a couple of foot deep there maybe. And this is the third swimming pool. We've got nice little lounges that you can lounge in here by the pool. And there's the restaurant and bar just over there where you go for a nice breakfast there the other day. Must be go there again later. Yeah, there we go. So this is Los Picos. Look at the great big decks on those apartments. We're on the 5th floor up there. Great big deck, it's lovely. go and reveal in a minute. So lots of fun for kids here. It's off season, so it's been very quiet so far. A few kids come out and play. Morning guys, this is Sunday morning and this is the view from our balcony. We've got the swimming pool down there and it's about 8 o'clock-ish, I don't know. This is Los Picos in Bucerías.
Buceria.
And we're just
Enjoying your swimming.
relaxing in the pool. Sun is on its way down. And we're enjoying the swimming pool right by the sea, and it's November 8th,
Yeah.
December 8th, bloody hell.
December 8th.
I'm right out of touch with everything.
It's Monday,
Yeah.
December 8th.
Yeah,
We've been here for how many days now?
it's 2 weeks.
2
and we
weeks,
got
yeah.
just
Going
over.
fast.
Yeah, and we're off back home on Saturday.
After coming from there, or maybe so. After coming from there, or maybe so.